friends, today's recipe mango puree for 6+ month old babies. So this is a seasonal based fruit. You can definitely try it. Mango is a good nutritional fruit. You can definitely try it, and taste wise also good. Everybody likes mango, so our 6 month old toddler also they will like the mangoes. First take a mango. I have taken the Alfonso mango. You can take any sweet mango, so they will like this sweet and it should not be damaged. So take the complete, wash it and remove the puree properly. Our babies will love this recipe. This is just uh, if you want the good nutritional fruit, you can definitely try this. Don't try to avoid, because mangoes are very tasty and sweet in nature. So babies love this. Remove all the puree properly and grind it in the mixie jar. Take a small jar because we are using one mango. Now mix it and make it a fine puree. So our mango puree is ready. You can Now mango puree is ready to serve. Definitely try it, guys. This is a very easy, quick and healthy recipe for toddlers. Your kid definitely like it. So you can see the smooth puree. 6+ month old baby, you need smooth puree only. Thanks for watching.